we going to get?
My new toy.
What is it?
My Skidsteer.
Are you more excited about this than you are the land?
Pretty much.
Oh my God. Are you excited, Rara?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You don't even know what we're getting. You're just happy because you have chips.
Kubota SVL75.
What kind of extras has it got on it?
62-inch brush cutter, a stump bucket, and what we're waiting on. We're gonna get a different grapple.
But what else does it have?
Oh, it's got a cab with HVAC and a radio.
A house.
Because I'm freezing using this rental that we have behind us.
A house.
Piece of crap. Did you get a new toy?
Yeah,
Are you so excited?
I am. I already brought the other stuff to the back.
Look at her.
She's purdy.